This is Mitutoyo's Coolant Proof caliper. Let me tell you about it.
This caliper was designed to deliver accurate and repeatable measurements. This caliper is your go-to instrument for inside, outside, depth, and step measurements, with an IP67 protection rating. So it'll be able to withhold against dust, water, coolant, ensuring your reliable performance even in the harshest workshop conditions.
And you can get this tool in various sizes. This caliper has a LCD display with 9mm height font on it. So that way you'll be able to see this at further distances, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Another great thing about this is how simple it is to use. You get the roller wheel, you got a locking nut, and if you wanted to change it from inches to millimeters, click of a button. It's that easy. And if you wanted to set to zero it out on this display, hold down on origin, and now you can reduce or add to it, depending on your needs with this device. Plus sending digital SPC data with an automatic power off. So if you forget to turn this off when you put it in your toolbox, it'll automatically turn off, saving its battery life. Or you just need something fast and reliable. Mitutoyo's absolute coolant proof caliper is the tool you need. Check it out at pentoolco.com.